BSL versus ASL. In this section, we will discuss the primary differences between BSL and ASL, or American Sign Language. ASL is used exclusively in the US. ASL shares roughly 30% of its signs with BSL. But even then, a user of ASL will be unable to understand BSL. Because, even though there is a significant overlap in the vocabulary, both of these languages are entirely unrelated. One noticeable difference is the use of the one-handed manual alphabet in ASL and the two-handed manual alphabet in BSL. Take this image, for example. See how the word cat is signed in ASL versus BSL. The difference here is the hand movements. So, it's self-explanatory that both these sign languages' teaching processes and the resources are significantly different. Sound knowledge of BSL won't automatically give you any fluency in ASL. You have to learn ASL separately from BSL. Which is harder, ASL or BSL? The difficulty of both of these languages is situational. It depends on your access to learning resources. Despite its wide use, no accurate count of ASL users has been taken. Reliable estimates for American ASL users range from 250,000 to 500,000 persons, including a number of children of deaf adults. Should I learn ASL or BSL? This also depends mainly on you. Learn the one that's most relevant to your region. You can also learn both if you're wondering. There are many dual sign language users out there. People that know both BSL and ASL can easily switch between them. Language learning is a powerful stimulant to the brain. If you build up bad habits or the wrong ones, they'll be hard to get rid of. So only choose high-quality courses.